In this video, you will see how to make text vertical in Excel from horizontal. It's very easy. As you can see, I have made text vertical from horizontal. It's very easy. To make the text vertical from horizontal, first select the cell or multiple cells. After selecting the cells, right click and you will see here the option of format cells. You can also use the shortcut Command 1 on Mac or Control 1 on Mac. After clicking on it, under the format cells, you need to click here on alignment. After clicking on it, under the text control, now you can control the orientation of the text. So next to orientation degrees here, at present it is 0, that means it is horizontal. If you enter for example 45 degree, you will get the text at 45 degree, and for the vertical text just enter 90. You can also see this option here under the alignment. Under the alignment, make sure you have selected this one, middle align, and then you can see here the pre-templates, diagonal up 45, minus 45. Similarly, rotate by 90 degree and minus 90 degree. In this way, you can make text vertical in Excel online in Excel Microsoft 365. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out this playlist if you want to learn Excel online quickly. See you again in the next one.